Alright, guys, so welcome back. This would be episode 7? 8, maybe? I don't know. 7, I think. Um, it's appreciate on the loading screen we got the zipper dance stage event for the next, I think it said 36 days, but like, or something ridiculous. Get the hell away from me. 10 of 10, don't want you on my island, you creepy, creepy rabbit. So there we go. We're back on Lost Lure Island. Yeah, I know you want some other stuff. Can we? I guess we just can't interact with the teepees or anything. Okay, well, alright. Done. Fast. Oh, our sofa. Okay. Cool. Reissue. This is all nice. I don't get what the walls are for. We're outside. Okay, weird. Cases. That's kind of fun. Bunny ears and stuff. What are these? Huh? A cattail? Okay. I mean, I don't want one, but alright. Oh, wow. What? Oh, Celeste's telescope. And Blathers' desk. Look how cute. Oh, I want it so badly. This is all the reissued stuff. This is a limited time stuff. What do we got? What is this? Tommy's Nook Ink. Oh my gosh, look how cute Tommy is. Is this Timmy's Nook Ink banner? Yes. Oh my gosh. God, they're so cute. And then we got some limited time clothes. This little... I mean, that is just... Sharp Springs collection. Super cute. That is... Dress in New York. In the springtime. Little pea coat. Oh my gosh. I wish this wasn't so expensive. Because they're really cute. Do we have denim jeans now? Dry denim pants. Black denim pants. Dry. What? Shoes. A little military jacket. Olive patch jacket. That's so cute. Is this just a long maxi skirt? Yeah, green maxi skirt. This little pink. I love the blue version too. That's really quite cute. Baby blue spring coat. That's super adorable. I mean, the blue version's only 120. I don't know if I want to spend my Leaf tickets on that. That's really a lot. You know what? Let's go over and actually look at clothing we can craft for adjusted bells. We've got a fluffy dress and a turnip dress. This is some other clothing we can craft. Quite cute. Eh. Anything yet? Glasses. Oh, we can craft the face mask. That's funny. Okay. Socks, pants, stuff. Amenities. What do we need? Oh, wow. What? Oh. A pipe park? Ancient temple. Get out. We can craft all this stuff. Cool. Very cute. Pretty close. And stuff. Oh, you know what? I did want to make a chair. Or I guess we just made the couch. Let's... Not right now. That's my recorder. Go over there. Let's go home. Sure. Usually just stick it right over there and it stays there. Alright, so you want to check. Up on dress. Oh, she's cute. What is this? Corded Sakura hairpin. Oh wow, look at that. It's cute. Bobby socks. Pumps. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Stuff. Alright. Oh, right. So we have... Let's... Oh, so that's a little weird. They don't... Okay, so I guess if it's... Already has... A little... What else do we have? Flower basket. Sure. What else? guess we can place another table. Have anything else we can put out? I think we put out everything else we had. Yeah. Cute. So, yeah. Oh, we can also decorate with our our clothes. I didn't want to do that. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so let's close that, and we're all done. Save and finish. I really ought to put my finger right over my mic. That's fun. Okay, so now we've got all this. What is the save sets button? Okay, cool. Alright, so we're done. Like, we put out everything we possibly can. This is soup materials, lots of bugs and stuff. Cute. Okay. I wanted to... Kinky. I can't say that about this. Oh, you look cute. Alright, so Apollo actually make you some clothes. Sure thing. Okay. What is he doing? It's a little creepy that I'm picking out people's clothes, but sure. Apollo wants to chat. No, I want to go back to crafting, and I want to... Adorable. Do we have any hats we can give Apollo? What says Murica? Okay. Right while I'm filming. Perfect. I mean, I don't know. That doesn't really seem... a little Blathers kind of outfit. That would be kind of cute. I guess we just have to sort of... Tasseled loafers. Sure, let's do that. Let's order a swing. Okay. So we're just kind of crafting some stuff. We're ordering stuff from Cirrus and Kix and whatnot to be crafted. And I think we're going to be done now. We can invite Jane Filbert because we have stuff that they wanted here now. You want to chat more? I don't know. You said you... What's the latest? But I don't have the patience for crafting these days. I'm too old for patience. Oh, follow. That's why I use leaf tickets to speed up the process some. It's instant gratification. Give it a try sometimes. Then you'll have more time for sitting around and doing nothing like me. Okay, Apollo. I guess. No, we're up to level 5 with Apollo. I really love him. We gotta get him some better outfits, though. He's when, I'm gonna go into my camper. Speaking of, figure out how to craft stuff for the camper. We're already up to 19 minutes here. Design. Can I put stuff in here? What? Wait, what? Do, do, do. Do. So, it's Cotty. Party with Cotty. Hey. Yeah, I know. Wait, what? Okay. 20 rare creatures. Let's go. Usually they tell me if they're over here. Oh, I didn't plant anything. That's why they're not here. Well. That's... Cool, we got some flower food. We just need to catch, and harvest flowers, which we'll do in a little bit. How do I get to drop leaf? Participate in the latest events. Okay, cool. Befriend another player, befriend private. Alright. Yeah, Unless my level proceeds, like, prevents me from doing this. Cute. Aw. Oh, hi. Giovanni. Hey, pal. Welcome to OK Motors. Hi. My name's Giovanni, and you must be Amy, right? Anyway, it's the automobile. The Queen. Let's get started. Beautiful. Now here at OK Motors, we specialize in campers. We can make your camper bigger. We can make your camper beautiful. We can make your camper shine. Now, let me introduce you to the boys. First up is old Carlo, body man and mechanic extraordinaire. Say a few words, Carlo. You can count on me, kid. He don't say much, but he's been time. He used to work with my pops. Hey, I'll paint anything. I'll paint your shirt, your shoes, your hat, whatever. Well, I'll even paint your camper. Pepe is very good with paint. Now I've been thinking, you already got your own camper. But I can't let a new customer walk out of here empty-handed, so how about this? We'll customize the color on your camper for free. That's right, I said free. To be honest, it's too good to keep Pepe. Here, go ahead and choose it. Oh, I kind of love the little racing stripes. That's cute. I love blue. I could go with like just... That's kind of cute. Or should we go classic one? Oh! I think I really like that dark blue. Two-tone wave. That's also cute. Do it. You got it. Leave the rest to us. Pepe, Carlo. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This is totally worth going over time for. Hey, what's up? Did we miss a spot? You say. Just like Carlo. Oh, he's so cute. Great choice, kid. So that's about it for now. I hope you're happy with the free custom job. Come back anytime, okay? How about like right now? Because I want to buy stuff from you really badly. What's up, pal? Caps? Have some spare friend powder? You can use 3 pouches to play the brake trapper at OK Motors. Press the button to spin the picture panels. Stop them once again, press the button. If you're able to get all 3 pictures to match, you win 5 caps. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, I hate to cut it short right in the middle of being OK Motors. I think there's a couple things I want to look around and see here. Alright, we'll run just a little bit long. I hate going over half an hour. Phone hates me. Can we interact with any of this stuff? What is this? No. Don't do that. Some more stuff. Hey, buddy. Oh, look at that camper. It's so shiny. I wish I could drive it home and keep it on my nightstand. If you want to go with one of the special designs, just talk to Giovanni, okay? I mean, you got it, buddy. Flying down the road in these colors? Ooh, baby. You ever want to go with one of the special designs? Talk to you. Okay, good. Do you love it or do you love it? Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, I know. Alright, so really I just want to go talk to Giovanni. Yeah. Okay. Yo, how's it going, pal? How can we be of service? You want to make the space inside your camper bigger, right? Yeah. Leave everything to us. Pepe, Carlo, get over here. This is gonna be free? Look, what is this? Greasy since yesterday. Get out on the shower, boss. It ain't the reason you're all dirty. You two work this out. I'll be in the bath for the next 6 hours. I guess we have more room in our camper now? Okay. Cool. Bada bing, you're all set. Now you should be able to fill that thing with all kinds of classy stuff. Alright, let's see what you got here. Including materials, carried to 30 plus tax and labor, your grand total comes to 10,000 bells. Just tap the in-game menu and pull. So that's it. I'm Alright, so we're all set here. Our little camper's all done and cute and stuff, and I don't know, let's see how much bigger it got. And we just arranged stuff in there. More room. Okay. Ever. Yeah, and yeah, we'll see you later. Like and subscribe. Amy's just playing Moto G. I can't talk. What is talking? This has been Amy's play. AmiPlays on Moto G5. I need coffee. Bye, guys. Have a good day.